Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out all devices on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application on my PC and then I'm going to open up the setting. We're going to go to the user setting and then we're going to select account and then just scroll down and here you'll see logged in devices, and if you want to log out all devices from Discord, you're going to select this option, logged in devices, and these are the devices I have logged in with my Discord account. And if you want to log out all the devices, you're going to click on this menu, and I have five devices for my Discord. If you want to log out all the devices, just click on this option, guys. That's super easy. Okay, guys, and that's how you can log out all devices on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.